Don't let your body spook you this fall. Here with a non-invasive treatment that tones and tightens is skin expert April Martinez with the Hills and Spa Salon. It's so great to have you here, April.
Thank you. I'm glad to be here.
So tell me about Body Revive. What is it and how does it work?
Yeah, Body Revive is really the latest and greatest, most cutting-edge technology when it comes to body fat sculpting, as well as skin tightening, lip plumping, lifting of the eyes. It's really a technology that you can utilize in many different ways, dependent upon what a client's transformation needs are.
Sounds pretty incredible. So who's a good candidate for something like this?
It's funny that you asked that, Kyle, because really anyone's a good candidate. If you've got any stubborn body fat areas, if you've got hooding of the eyelids, thinning lips, maybe a little bit of a kind of extra skin, neck loose there. We've got tightening for any area that you might need. It's all about having excess skin or excess fat that you'd like to get rid of.
And you actually have had experience with this, right?
Yeah, I have. And really that's how I found the technology, is I really shopped around a lot before I made the decision to go into the med spa arena. I looked at cool sculpting, various lasers, and really what kept holding me back was not feeling like the results were there and wanting to give my clientele the best. We have people that come in regularly as we're kind of a one-stop shop. So in my hunting, I found a technology that could promise, hey, we'll get rid of that excess skin. And for me, my largest baby was 9 pounds 1 ounce.
It's a big baby.
And I had handfuls of excess skin. So I said, if you can get rid of this skin that I have, I will definitely be sold. So needless to say, I got rid of the excess skin around my stomach. And since then, in the 2.5 years we've had this technology, I've done things like chest lift, butt lift. I did breastfeed 3 children. So the dramatic transformation that I experienced was something I wanted to be able to offer others.
So tell me, I mean, it's not just you that has seen incredible results. What kind of results do you see in your clientele?
Yeah, we see various results. I like to say from happy to extremely happy. We've got people that come in and maybe they just need 1 session. They've got a little excess skin, a little bit of fat to handle. And then I might have somebody that starts off with maybe bigger goals and they're with me for more sessions. For me, it took a few sessions to really get rid of that excess fat.
Okay, yeah, I mean these pictures that you're sharing with us right now, there are some pretty dramatic results. Like I could imagine someone coming in and going, okay, this is exactly what I wanted. What do you think sets this apart from some of the other treatments out there? Because there are a lot of different treatments.
There really are. I think what really comes down to is dramatic results. I think at the end of the day, there's a lot of technologies out there that don't deliver the actual result. And in addition to that, we are not invasive. So they experience very little downtime. You're getting dramatic results, very little downtime, and actually experiencing a true transformation. I think also most modalities out there aren't targeting the skin, and that's such an issue. We have people that come in and maybe they've tried something else out there. They got rid of fat, but they've got lumping, clumping, weird texture. We can really go in and be fluid and intuitive and really fix it all and kind of judge in that session, what do we need to hit, skin tightening or fat loss or both.
Okay, and the Hills really is an experience. It's all-inclusive. Tell us about that.
Yeah, it really is. The goal was to really offer our clients everything under the sun when it comes to beauty. We also offer a beauty advising program. I think you'll find that there's a lot of places maybe you go for one particular item, they specialize in that. We really make a point of specializing in all different things that you can offer.
And you actually have a special offer just for our viewers, right, April? Tell us about that.
Yes, we actually have the first 20 callers who book get a free consultation, which is vital, receive 15% off a Body Revive package, and 2 free bonus treatments, also with the purchase of 2 or more packages. So visit us at thehillsexperience.com, and you can also reach us at 480-585-3787.
Such great information. Thank you so much, April.
Thank you, Kyle.
Now, if you want more information, just visit thehillsexperience.com or call the number you see